that movie film full of basic 101.
Yeah, if I had focused more when I was little, I would have seen that coming.
We cannot change the past, but we can improve for the future. Again, and this time, do not go back.
They won't see it coming. Our forces will be so strong, Ninjago will be mine! Ninjago! Oh, it's time we finish this. Bring it on, fools!
Since the last time you saw me, Dad.
Stop him! Blast these ninja! If only they weren't around! If only they never existed! Yes! Yes! That's it! I wish I could go back in time! Make it so the ninja were never formed in the first place! Once and for all, so that my son never becomes the Green Ninja. He used the mega weapon again.
Oh, swell! Every time he uses that thing, something really bad happens. Now what? What's going on? Is the city sinking?
Worse, the city's returning back into the desert, as if it had never been found in the first place.
What? What does that mean?
Garmadon's gone back in time to make it so Lloyd never turns into the Green Ninja.
I can't feel my hands. We have to go in.
If he changes anything, he changes everything. Protect the future, Ninja.
Remind me to pack a helmet next time we time travel.
Where are we?
You mean, when are we?
4 weapons. Huh, my parents' shop. Nina and I used to work there. Hey, wait a minute. This is the day Garmadon ordered the skeletons to take my sister. Oh, we need to warn them.
Whoa, you heard what Sensei said? We change anything, we change everything. Yeah, I was confused by that too.
What he means is, our world is the result of past events that have already happened. If for whatever reason events in our past fail to happen, then the future could radically change.
So what you're saying is we gotta stop Garmadon from changing anything? But of all the times, why did we land here? Because this is where it all started. Today I met Sensei Wu for the first time and I began my training as a ninja. Somehow Garmadon is gonna try to prevent that. But how?
If only Sensei were here to guide us.
Oh, look! There he is! Maybe he can!
We gotta tell him what Garmadon has done.
But we can't let the old Kai and Nia see that we talk to him, or else it will affect the future.
I know exactly what to do. Anna's shop is called 4 Weapons, not 4 Browsing. Either buy something or go peddle your insult somewhere else.
Too bad, but I found something special here.
Sensei, we need your help. Whoa, wait a minute. If we're trying to stop Garmadon from changing anything, wouldn't talking to Sensei kind of be like altering the past, thus changing our future?
That would be correct. I believe a big uh-oh is in order.
Well, we can't undo what we've already done. Sensei, we really need your help.
Oh, or you.
Travel back in time to warn you of impending doom. Yeah, but we don't have time to explain. Can you help us?
I don't understand, but I can try.
Okay, any moment now, the skeletons are gonna attack, and we think Garmadon may try to hurt me. I mean the past me. to protect my past self.
Let me go first, please, oh please. I'm dying to go down there. You nitwit. Why did I ever trust these numbskulls?
What are they?
I don't know. Stay here. Can we help or not?
Don't look at me. I'm wise.
Technically, since the past has already been altered, I don't see why we can't fight a few skeletons. Just as long as your former self never sees you.
You made my day, Zane. I miss beating these guys up. Watch for when Samakai throws his daggers. And don't forget to save me. It'll all make sense when it happens. I told you to stay back.
Let you have all the fun?
Sensei, I'm on it.
Lord Garmadon says take the girl. You missed retreat. What is it?
Nothing.
Oh, this isn't good.
Why? We saved you and your sister.
No, the skeletons were supposed to get away with Nia. The only reason you convinced me to become a ninja in the first place was to get her back.
To go with you.
Why?
The world as we know it won't exist. The four of us will never unite. We'll never train Lloyd to become the Green Ninja. And Nia will never fall head over heels for Jay.
No matter what, you need to convince him to go with you.
You must become a ninja.
Sorry, but I got a blacksmith shop to help get back on its feet, so I...
No, you must come. It is very important that you become a ninja, because we must harness the fire within you.
Hold on, Kai. Maybe there's a reason this man came into our lives. Father always said the world was...
Okay, if you want to become a ninja, fine by me. But I'm only...
I thought I saw the same ninja.
Tama?
Ninja?